Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. Alright, what's going on, guys? Just want to give y'all an update of some of the upgrades I just made to the building. Shout out to my boy Fast Freddy. He's been helping me along doing a lot of these projects. So I just got the whole building tinted all the windows, and got the building repainted. You see the black strips on the side, you see the black around the windows. I got the roof, I got the ceiling. We did a white color ceiling, but I'm about to redo the roof. The roof on the right is mine, the one on the left is the homies. And you see the neighborhood we in, Cerro Verde. You see how far we are from the beach, right outside the subdivision. And I don't know if you guys know, I just bought some land in La Dos. I made a video about it, and it's empty, it's farmland. But if you guys remember how Cerro Verde looked when we first got this land over here, a lot of this stuff wasn't there, that wasn't there. I just wanted to show you guys the growth of the neighborhood, just so you guys don't be scared when you walk into something and it's empty. They have built this neighborhood up so much since 2017 when we first got this land. And shout out to my homegirl Tasha house right there. I ain't gonna point Tasha house out, but she lives 2 streets over from us, and she good people. And to the right there, that cream color building, that wasn't there. You see us right here with the 2 jacuzzis on the top. That white looked good, man. And my lot in La Dos is it's a little bigger than this right here. So I'm going to build a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath villa for myself on that land in La Dos. But I just want to give you guys an update, and you'll see. So a lot of you asked, these are not apartments. I sold 3 other units. We kept one. I'm actually in the process of getting some upgrades done on the inside. And so when that is done, when Freddie's done redoing the kitchen this week and next week, I'll put that in there. And we're gonna redo the roof on the right. I'm putting outdoor kitchen, a cover. It's gonna be real chill, it's gonna be real nice. But you can see how the neighborhood has grown. And you see the beautiful mountains up there. That's what I really like. I like the mountain view. One side you get the mountain view, one side you get the ocean view. Over there, way over there, that's Torre Alta. But you get a good shot of Puerto Plata, man. And shout out to Tyler Abroad for doing the drone video, getting this footage. And I mean, I'm just happy about my neighborhood, man. I'm glad, we made a good decision to get a lot in an area that was up and coming. This same lot was $20,000 when we got it, right? We should have bought the lot next door, but I was being cheap. And this lot is now going for $80,000, $90,000. It's going for like $100, $110, $120 per meter now. That's very interesting, man. But just want to give you guys some updates. Stay tuned. Look at that. Look at it. That tent looks so good, man. Shout out to, if y'all need somebody, Freddie got the people on lock, man. Freddie doing like a lot of remodels. We upgraded the whole paint, and the quality of paint that originally came on the place, it wasn't as good as I would like. And now you can just wash it off. So, but yeah, man, add some tint to your building, man. Add some tint, man. But I'm out, man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. A blessing, man. If it was easy, man, everybody do it, man. Stay tuned for the next movement, the next project, man. The boy, a big old builder, man. I'm gonna put it together for y'all, man. Straight up like that, man. You know what, man? You got a lot of doubters, man. You got a lot of haters, man. But it's not too many people that's doers, man. I don't do a lot of talking. It's gonna be a whole lot of action, man. With this project right here, I had a lot of bumps in the road, a lot of headaches, but pushed through and learned a lot. So it's on the job training, man. I wish all y'all fellas a lot of luck on y'all projects. I'm going forward, man. I'm just gonna get bigger and better at this shit, man. It's the blessing, man. I'm out, man. Holla at me if you need me, man. Beau Rakes at Gmail, man. Holla at me, man. I got you, man. Big old helper out here, man. Take a village, man. I'm out.